In this video, we're going to demonstrate Digit's 2017 TM Forum Catalyst project, a partnering platform for MEF services. This project implements aspects of the MEF LSO reference architecture, is aligned with MEF 55, and uses MEF-defined server specifications. Specifically, this project focuses on two interfaces defined by the MEF LSO architecture. The first is Kantata, a C2B web portal interface used for order capture, tracking, and management. The second is Sonata, a B2B interface allowing service providers to extend the reach of their carrier Ethernet networks through partner carriers. In this demonstration, Telflow hosts the Kantata web portal and natively implements the Sonata interface to drive automated provisioning into partner systems. Here's an example of the kind of network topology that would typically be provisioned using the API and specifications shown in the demo. This project has been championed by MEF, the Metro Ethernet Forum, as well as MEF members Orange, PCCW Global and Vodafone, and it's been built by Digit Systems using the Telflow OSS platform. In our demonstration, we're going to create an order for an OVC Uni product associated with a new site in a new country that will join an existing global voice network with sites in multiple other countries. After we qualify the site, the automated ordering process will run a network design and raise the network orders required to bring the new location into our existing network. Let's take a look at the Telflow portal to see how this works. Before we submit our new order, let's take a quick look at our existing inventory. This is the global voice network that we're going to add a site to in this demonstration. You can see that it has two sites, one in Australia and the other in Hong Kong. We can expand the nodes on this diagram to view the components that make up the existing network. So now we're going to create the order for our new OVC Uni product, which is associated with a new site in the United Kingdom. On this screen, we're creating a sales order in Telflow, and within that we'll add our OVC Uni order. A sales order can be used to contain multiple customer orders, but in this example we'll only create one. Before we add that order, we're going to select and qualify a site for the sales order. This will make it easy to add a site to our OVC Uni product later. We'll use our address search to find a serviceable site in London. You can see that it has direct fibre, PON and XDSL capabilities. Next, we'll create and configure our order for the OVC Uni product. We'll start by adding some initial details in this screen, and then we'll select a bandwidth option and attach it to the global network instance that we looked at earlier in our inventory view. Going back to the previous screen, we'll submit our sales order. In a few seconds after submission, the provisioning process associated with the order will decompose the order into another required network layer, provisioning the user network interface for the OVC Uni, which you can see here. While we're waiting for the rest of the network design to complete, we'll have a quick look at the process associated with the OVC Uni. You can see that we've issued the site orders, and now we're checking network capacity and about to run the northbound network design. We can also look at the system messages that have been sent and received to and from Sonata in the System tab. When we click back to the process, we can see that it's now completed. Going back to the sales order, we can see that the order has decomposed into the further orders required to support the new site in our global voice network. Finally, let's go back to the inventory diagram that we saw at the beginning of our demo. Refreshing this diagram, we can see that the new London-based site has now been added to the global voice network, with each node in the diagram representing the components of the network that were created along the way. You've now seen how the LSO Sonata ordering API can be combined with automated provisioning processes to order carrier Ethernet services from wholesale network operators. Thanks for watching.